Hello, folks, and welcome to another edition or episode of Born Suckers Elliott Wave analysis of S&P 500. I did a video previously, didn't really cover it extensively, but I ended up losing my chart. So just for reference, this is 5 right here. I'm just going to mark it as 5, just wave 5, or it could also be called wave 1 up at the top here. So maybe I'll make that a little bit bigger. Okay, so usually after a wave 5 we have an ABC here, as I've got in blue, cyan rather, and from there I figured that we were into wave A down here at the previous low. This is ultimately the highest high, and you can go and check a previous video that I made about S&P. And this last low was B, of course, and we're in the wave C. However, we have not come to a, I'm going to explode this up here so we have a really good close look. This is a, I'll make it a 5-hour chart here. Get a really good close look here. So from here we got our B wave, the end of the B wave here, denoted by the C. And we came down for 1, 2, it looks like a diagonal, like not a leading diagonal or anything, but we got the price territory of wave 4 into price of wave 1. So it's not overlapping like it would be up over here. So it could still be classified as an impulsive wave. It's permitted, a little bit of overlap into wave 1 sometimes is okay. So, we can call that wave, that entire wave 1 there. This is a little ambiguous, of course. Let's just take a closer look at it here with the fib. If we were to take that up to, over here someplace, let's see where that turns up. Of course, I don't have all the major, this is going to be a default harmonic wave there. And 3, we don't need 3 in there, okay, for now. Let's just have a look. We may not have, let's take a look on the 1 hour, what that exactly looks like. And where did it go? Geez. Okay, let's just make sure it's visible on the 1 hour here for us. No, and it was not. Okay, so let's go back to check the 1 hour. And 1, maybe not a real clear wave 1 here. So 4103.90, 4103.49 is the low here. So let's just punch in them coordinates here. 4103. What was that again on the green candle? The low 49. Okay. And then we got this gapped up from that. Could have just been the ES contract rollover, whatever they do over there. I'm just not too technical with ES. I'm not a real big trader of that. I do follow it. And that high for wave 1 was 4165.21, 4165.21. Okay, and the lowest retrace there could be called, and this is an hourly. I mean, this is a little. We'll take a look at the 15-minute and see what it yields here as well. That low there is 4133.05. 33.05. 4133.05. 3305. Okay. So I want to know if this is an ABC. This looks like a wave 3 right here. I mean, it's tiny. I'm looking at it, but visibility, let's just take a look at it on the 15-minute if indeed that is a... sometimes you have to go right into it to see what it really is. If there's an ABC in there. Yeah, A, B, C. So this here looks to be C. Or wave 2. So what is that? Let's just take a look here. I mean, this is clearly impulsive here. If you just take a look at the candles there, right? This is clearly an impulse move. Hardly any ABC in there. Hardly any, you know, what looks to be an ABC. 1, A, B, and then C. It didn't come down below, which is acceptable, especially with these commodities and that, the market maker. Well, I mean, S&P index. But the market maker wants to make things look very ambiguous, of course. And the low was 41.3690. 36.90. Maybe that'll yield a little bit better result for us in terms of, let's take a look on the hourly now. Okay. Okay, we said our wave 1 was here, so we're just gonna, let's just pencil that in now. So 1, 2 over here. And this could be 3, this could be 3. Right, it just seems to keep going. This could be 3 right here, and that's a real big retrace. So let's just see. You know, this could be 3 here, 4, 5, A, B, C. You know, this is really ambiguous. I mean, it's difficult to discern what really is going on here. And you just kind of have to wait until it finishes to then dissect it and see what we got. This could be ABC down here, and then this is another 1 through 5. And already we are very close to the high, the origin of this one here. So, I mean, the only thing that I could call this would be, you know, like a, or maybe I did it already, on the 5-hour. Yeah, I did. So on the 5-hour, I called that, you know, and I wanted to dissect it, like you said, like I showed you. You can have a look at it on your own, on your own time. Well, what was that going on here? What? On the 5-hour. Okay, there. Okay, so if that's the case, you know, that's what I think it is, somewhere in there. 1 through 5 here, impulsive, barely impulsive. Okay, well, saw the wave structure, and this is still lower, the high of wave 2 here, if that is wave 2, or it could be like this. This could all be wave A, and it's nearly 100% retrace. Okay, and oh, what the hell is that doing there? So it could all be like this, like 1, A, B, C again here, which could just come up and barely go, you know, like that. Could be like that, going down. So anyway, I just want to leave it with that. That's kind of what I envisioned it. B didn't come up to the wave 5 high, if this is indeed B, and it looks like it is from the origin of C. Okay, and it looks like a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So that could be this, that could be A, or it could be 2. It depends. We have to see. So, I mean, if you're gonna just play by the moving averages, oh, excuse me, play by the moving averages, the 200 and the 800, which managed to draw, and here's the 800, here's the 200, and it looks like it's gonna turn around, but looks like a very unnatural chart anyway, with all the QE and everything else that's been manipulating this going forward. So anyway, that's I'll leave you with that. I'd like to hear your opinions and thoughts, comments, etc. in the chat, and certainly if you're interested, come into my Discord channel or server, and hopefully get some discussion and more people discussing and about the activity of these commodities indexes and the market itself. So wishing you a great weekend, happy Thanksgiving weekend, and a happy trading going forward. Have a great day.